They quick mouth up and down. They carry yourself like safe. Yet you no get packaging, no home training. Better think twice. I want him all around. Ebu receive your sorrow. I don't want to cherry. Your own way got pride will never pay you. Your own way got oh, kwa makechi kamje. Your own way got to avoid her dying at last. Your own way got they like mother, like daughter, full of threats and violence. Envy, hatred, desperate for money. Uchu no dequire to avoid losing completely. God will not be man, no, neither man be God. I don't want you cherry. Your own way got pride will never pay you. Your own way got Chikamja wakwagia. Your own way got to avoid regret. Your own way got I don't want you cherry. Your own way got pride goes before downfall. Your own way got if I say a jokakwa. Your own way got Adia wachiko gesime here. Your own way got they quick mouth up and down. They carry yourself like safe. Yet you no get packaging, no home training. Better think twice. I want him all around. Ebu receive your sorrow. I don't want you cherry. Your own way got pride will never pay you. Your own way got kwa makechi kamje. Your own way got to avoid her dying at last. Your own way got like mother, like daughter, full of threats and violence. Envy, hatred, desperate for money. Uchu no dequire to avoid losing completely. God will not be man, no, neither man be God. I don't want you cherry. Your own way got pride will never pay you. Your own way got makechi kamja wakwagia. Your own way got to avoid regret. Your own way got I don't want you cherry. Your own way got pride goes before downfall. Your own way got if my say jokakwa. Your own way got will be. Whatever he says must stand. What will be, will be. What will be, will be. What will be, will be. Adia marachizu. Onyo chori beze koke meriri. All you need is patience. Waka got so.
The time is now. A time to make mountain out of a molehill. Time to erect this foundation. Time to make this last forever. I plead with you, Nkem. I plead with you to drink from this cup of suffering together with me till we come out of it. Please. Please don't leave me at this point. It's only a coward that runs away from his father's land in the face of danger. But a real man stands and faces his fears. It's my wish to journey back to my father's land and face whatever that might come my way. But then, be my wife, Kendirim. Be my backbone. Be the mother of my unborn children. You are everything I want and more. Please. Please don't say no. Please. You are everything I want and more. Please. Allow me to lift us from the lowest point of vicinity to the highest point of vicinity in the society. Please. Please don't say no.
My heart is with you. My love is with you. A great future I see in you. I have fallen in love with everything about you. Your pains and your sorrows are now mine. Wherever you go, I will go. Wherever you live, I will live. Wherever you die,
Mother, I really can't hold this anymore. I can't, okay. Okay. Mother, my brother is coming back. Oh my God. My brother is coming back. He just called and he said he's coming back, Mom. Oh my God.
Wait, my son is coming home.
Yes.
Oh my word. When did he call? Which number did he call with?
Mom, I just got a phone with him right now and he just said he's coming back.
Oh my God.
He's coming back.
My son is coming back home. My son is coming back home.
He also said that he will be showing us his wife.
What?
Yes.
I knew it. I knew Harry is going to make me proud. I knew Harry is going to make me proud. So, which of the beautiful young ladies is he coming home with? Is it Senator Jide's daughter? Or Governor Sanwo's daughter? Wait. It could be Comrade Amadi's daughter. No. I know it must be the Minister for Finance daughter. And not my boy. He likes them chubby and chocolate.
Oh my God.
Cause for celebration.
Oh, I'm so happy.
We're going to celebrate. Go to my room, get my phone. I need to make a call. Wait,
Okay,
my son is coming home.
Oh, my humble child. Oh, my precious child. Oh. Oh, my humble child. Oh, my humble child. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. Just look to the sky. Make a wish. Oh. And the Lord of the universe will bring it to you as you wish. Oh, destiny. Oh, destiny could be delayed, but can never be denied, no. Denied, no. abageni kamere kiyewa ijiza chaya kibwe the wages of sin is death.
Of what benefit is it to you when you betray that one person who has loved you selflessly? The same person that has loved you wholeheartedly, body and soul. Talk to me, Obi. First, it was a convoy of cars with strange faces in them that came to pick me up. And I asked your brother Ike where you were and who these strange people were. He told me that we were going to meet you on our way. I did not argue with them. I did not argue at all. He said you only have employed the assistance of your childhood friend, whose father is very wealthy, so you could treat me like a queen today. I did not argue with him like a lamb going to be slaughtered. I innocently followed him. I followed Ike on a journey, hoping to see you on our way, but there was no sign of you. All through the journey, I knew it. I knew something was wrong, but... And here we are in a place that looks strange and different. Obi. And it dawned on me that I have been fooled. My innocent act of love will not lead me to my grave. I should have listened. I should have listened to them when they said you were not whom I thought you were. Show your face. Show yourself, Obi. Show yourself and betray our innocent love. Show yourself and sell me to my buyers right in front of me. Obi, show yourself.
Oh, my humble child. Oh, my precious child. Oh. Oh, my humble child. Oh, my humble child. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. Just look to the sky. Make a wish. Oh, oh. And the Lord of the universe will bring it to you as you wish. Just say a prayer, yeah, as you go into the world, and the rest of the universe will come around into you. Oh, to you, 'cause you are a star, yeah. You are the rising sun, and you are the moon. So don't be afraid, my child, my precious precious child. Oh, my precious child. Oh, it's gonna be alright. Alright. My humble child. Oh, my humble child. It's gonna be alright. Oh. Just take a step, yeah, believe in yourself, oh, and the Lord of the universe will say you're true, say you're true, my humble child.
I tried all I could in talking her into wearing the dress you got for her. But my effort was so aborted. She was so stubborn. And in her words, she said, my coat of many colors is worth more than any other dress put together in the world. I tried my best.
Who are you? Who?
It's me. The Obi you know.
Ladies and gentlemen, my son has decided to make it a surprise to me. So he said. He thought he's the only one who is good at the game. But little did he know that his mother is a master in the art. I'm sure he'll be delighted and overwhelmed at a surprise package I have prepared for him today. Well, I'm glad. I trust my son's sense of judgment and I respect his decisions. So, Zilly, aid me.
Please, let me adjust myself very well to this.
I know you.
You know how to do it, huh?
Yeah, baby.
Okay. And we welcome the most distinguished, the most renowned, and the most wanted bachelor in town.
The man is good.
You can say that again. The only son of late Chief Justice of our dear country.
You are on point. You can say that. Right on.
A prospective governor in the making of the state. In the person of Dr. Ari Williams and his would-be wife. Welcome, Your Honor.
All about? What?
Mother, calm down.
Calm down, you said? What was that? Was that what the golden surprise is all about? Bringing a stinking low life into my home to embarrass me before my distinguished friends? No. No. My enemies are at work. Asini Kinga Digile. Awanyanko. I, distinguished chief Mrs. Angelina Williams, I will tell them, Nadimile, they must not have their way. Whoever that has let the dog into my home will pay dearly for it. So dearly. Hey! He came from
Obi Ojo, no, Obi Ojo, no, na Jaranja.
Hey. Oh.
Hey! My prince. My prince charming is back. Hey! Lekwano mansion no more. Lekwano nam. My house. Hey! Lekubo. See I choose that one. Hey, me and my prince charming were. Haji, we forget. You are not a good person. I learned that my prince charming is back. My husband to be. And you did not even bother to tell me. I've been calling you on the phone since. You're not picking up. It's not that somebody else told me that my prince charming is back. That's how I would have missed. Is that the plan? Eh? By the way, he's in the house.
His Excellency. He's back. Hey!
Now you are now you are saying the thing I want to hear. Haji, you're mad.
See,
just look at me. Hey! I know that if he sees me, he will not take his eyes off.
See, you see this your ajibo, waka, all this is what they do. All this what they do. Yeah? All this your dream. Wake up, yeah? Dream again. Make I tell you, this is your dream now. You don't turn reality.
India.
Yeah?
Are you India?
No, now the other way around they talk. Say India, again. See, make I tell you, Morga, yeah? Ogare, yeah? Where get this ass, yeah? Morga come back to this ass, yeah? With his wife. The woman where you want marry.
Okay, my name is Onyala. In a pala.
Me, I do.
Shut up! Shut up! What nonsense are you talking about? What no? Which wife? Eh?
Me, I do news. What on know? Yeah, he's lying. Okay, but where you the dream? Yeah, your husband to be, like you said, where you the dream?
That is what it is.
You come back to this house with a woman from the same village. Yeah, where me and you come from? You understand? Yeah.
Chelugodo. Akiri.
Akiri banya no Akiri.
Come on, shut
just say the woman wey dey talk about herself wey come from na her face no too dey familiar.
I just shut up. In Atwasi, you lie too much. That is one thing I don't like about you. It's not. What do you mean? The most beautiful girl in Akiri. Harry will leave her and go for who? Onye? Who is prettier than I am in Akiri? No, tell me. I am waiting. Guanom, no.
Hey, Morga, yeah? Come back to this house with his wife, Toby.
Para Jesus.
Yeah?
Hey, Haji. He came back with.
So, me, Hygienus, what don't know all the whole truth whether this one never finish from my mouth. So tell me now, yeah? Why I come the light to you?
Haji.
Yeah?
It is serious.
Now I'm serious. Mba! I'm a good man is serious. Yeah? Me, the lie. Yeah?
Haji.
Me, the lie, Abby.
Haji.
Hey.
Haji.
Hey. See, make I tell you, yeah? Morgan, no day. You understand? So, they go. Because even before you come, yeah? You get wetin I dey think. Make I tell you, my wife wey me I wan marry, yeah? I don't go tell you the person name. You understand? I don't dey think before you come, yeah? I don't want lose focus. So they go. I beg, my organ no dey. I don't tell you finish.
Haji.
My sexy arrow say, hey, hey, let me not be beautiful for you. You are my sexy arrow say,
I'll wait here until he comes. He's my husband. Harry is my husband.
Oh, destiny. Oh, destiny. Could be delayed, but can never be denied, no. Denied, no.
mụrụ nwa e. Onye mụrụ gị mụrụ nwa e. Ka mụ na-egoli onye mụrụ gị mụrụ nwa e. Akwa nwa m onye mụrụ gị mụrụ nwa e. Onye mụrụ gị mụrụ nwa e. Ka mụ na-egoli onye mụrụ gị mụrụ nwa e. Hey, ngaladi ya. Ọ bụ n'iwe menu haya haya o. Haya. Ọ bụ n'iwe. Akwam. Mama. What is it? Talk to me. What is it? Did you meet with him? Eh?
Mama, I'm finished. There is problem. Mama, there is big problem. Big one.
Big problem, kwa? From which direction? Eh?
Mama, my Prince Charming came back with another woman he wants to marry.
Please, stop confusing me. Another woman he wants to marry? How? Who? Or a white woman?
Which white woman? Mama, if it was a white woman, I would have endured. I heard the lady is from this village.
Eh? Which village? This village?
Mama, they have succeeded though.
Never!
They have succeeded. They just want to take my shine.
Eh?
Mama, my dream. Hope. My future. My destiny. They want to take everything.
Hey, what a destiny. Biko, wipe it.
Hey.
No. Biko, hurry up. There is no time. Wipe. There is power. Fit up here. Exactly. More. Wipe. Hey. Now you come. Now listen. No one. Read my lips. Nobody can take away your destiny. No one dares me in this village.
Mama, they said they want to marry.
I said never! Not while I'm still alive. Hey, Mwa bumbo kwesile. Nemi fe kwesile kwesi. Nuzo kwesile kwesi. Yeah! Never! I will crush that person to death. Mwa boda the word jenga. It is not possible.
Man.
Mba no stop. Man. Never. It is not possible.
Man.
Mba no stop. I said stop. You don't know what I can do. I will crush that fool. Mapia. Hey. Mpianya. Ntapianya. Nonya. Bupia. Kini ku. Mwa boda liwe jenga. Nobody dares me in this village. Because I will fight. Listen. Clean those tears. Or water ya. Clean the vendors. Clean. Water ya. Or the possible. Omalicham.
Mama.
Mama. My today's bread.
What changed about you? What changed about your decision when you were away? Am I not talking to somebody? Harry! What has come over you? What is wrong? What is this shame all about? What have they given to my son?
Nothing has come over me. I'm going out there to search for her. She is the woman of my dreams. She is that woman I intend spending the rest of my life with. Nothing can change it.
Hurry, you can't! Something is not right.
Unafugo uche chukwu n'ụwa anya ga-eme unafugo onye chi ya na-egbu ya agaghị anwụ unafugo ife chukwu kwuru ya ga-eme Uchachuku nuwanyakembe unafuka nuwe nonyechi ya nebu ya kaya munu ife chukukuru yakembe Destiny, destiny. Akala kamadu no wane do ya no. Emelu mele wane muima no weram featured no. Amuma ke buai mairu ke featured no. Uchachuku abunya gemenetanu unafuka onyechi ya nebu ya kayamu unafuka uchachuku nuwanya gembe unafuka onyechi ya nebu ya kayamu unafuka ife chukukuru ya gembe Unafuka uchachuku nuwanyakembe unafuka onyechi ya nebu ya kayangu unafuka nuwe onyechi ya nebu ya kayangu unafuka ife chukukuru yakembe nuwe If you don't way out to Chiana, Churi, Chichinua, on your make it the Quadanya, Kaya, the Chananua. Makana, Messenua, if I kapu.
Will be, will be. What will be, will be. Oh. Although it might take long, but destiny no they lie. Destiny has a voice. It speaks so loud and clear. Check out the movements of destiny. Come what's may, Iachukukuru gemeriri. What will be, will be. What will be, will be. No one can stop destiny. What will be, will be. No one can ever challenge God. What will be, will be. Whatever He says must stand. What will be, will be. What will be, will be. What will be, will be. All you need is patience. Your destiny must suffer. What will be, will be. Pressure can never stop you.
Oh yeah. Oh. Obi ojo no obi ojo no na jaranja. Akane kunki mereme. Ingwe mezi ozo. Oh, Obi aja, no anajaranja. Akane bunki mereme, iwe bezi yaza. Magareba, Magareba, Jangareba, Onyane way. Abo kinika meregi One more. Oh, Baba Nkata Zubelo Iseme Jonyene Weya meregi Abo kinika meregi One way on you, Metro. Obi Aja, no anajaranja.
A message to you and your cohort. You all sneaking around the Williams. Stay away because he has been taken. Oh yeah, Harry is mine, and mine alone. Do yourself a favor and leave.
Believe me when I say, I am sorry for faking my identity. Whatever I did for good. It was all born out of my quest to have a feel of the other side of life, which I never experienced all my life. The bitter side of life. I feel it to be useful to me when I assume office as the leader of the state. And then, along the line, I found true love. One who will be there for me. The one who will love me for who I am, not because of my societal class. Don't be scared. It's me. It's Obi. The same Obi you know. We promised ourselves love We promise to be there for the rest of our lives. Please. I'm sorry.
No. Even if my physical eyes were blinded today, that I could no longer recognize people, my heart can never be blinded not to recognize the only man who has occupied a vital position in here, in my heart. That's a man who has known nothing but sorrows all his life. The same man that feeds from hand to mouth. That young, innocent man whom the whole world decided to turn against. And I said to him, do not be afraid, for I'll stand by you until we make a new beginning. He is one honest man I know in my life. Not a liar. So I beg of you, stranger, just go away forever from my life and never return, for we are worlds apart.
No.
Please.
No. Please. I'm sorry. Okay.
Do not ever look for me, because you will never find me.
Nkem. Nkem. Nkem.
Akane kunki mereme Iwe mezi aza Oh Obi aja No wana jaranja Akane kunki mereme Iwe mezi aza Bagareba, Jangareba, Onyane way Meregi Abo Ginika Meregi One more Oh Babankata Zubelo Iseme Janyane way Meregi
Hey, God. Akwangwa, huh? What are you doing here? You're still here. You're still here.
What is it, Wando? Why are you running like that? You scared me.
You're still here. Something is happening right now. You know Wahala? Wahala. He wear trouser. Enter bicycle. They run. They come.
What is it, Wando? Why are you sounding this way? What happened?
Did you say you visited your husband to his house and they told you he came back with the woman he wants to marry?
Yes, that's what I heard.
Did you also say that the woman he wants to marry is from this very community? First of all, where's your sister? Where's Nkem?
Wando, stop all this. Why all these questions? What is it?
Okay, look at this.
No. Wait. Wait a minute. Maybe I'm not seeing clearly. Is this not my husband?
Mom.
What is Nkem doing at close range with him? Why are they this close?
question should be, where is your sister at the moment?
Kim should be inside. I need to call her. I need to know what is going on.
Go and look for your sister.
I need to call her.
I need to call
Your own sister. Go and be looking for her. Hey, Kemda is on the street doing love. You're still searching. Keep searching. Wando. Okay. I can't find the game. I can't find the game. She's not inside the house, and all her belongings are gone.
If my instincts are right, the woman your presumed husband wants to marry is no other than your sister Nkem.
Shut up. Oginikwa, what do you mean? Why would you say something like that? How?
I suspected it. I knew there was something strange about that stranger. Pray, Akwanwa, pray. Pray that you've not shot yourself on the leg. Pray that the man you have dreamt of marrying all along is not the same man. Well, if you must know, I took these pictures not quite long ago along the village path.
Okay. Harry. My husband. My future. Wando, my hope. My destiny.
It's okay.
Wando. Everything. Everything. Everything is gone. Just like that.
To avoid losing completely, God will not be man.
Greetings, everyone. I came in search of Nkem Direm, the love of my life. Has anyone seen her? Pardon my manners. My name is Dr. Harry Williams of the Williams dynasty, the son of the late and former Chief Justice of this country, Dr. Alba Williams. By his grace, the next governor of the state. The name, I guess, must ring a bell. I am the same stranger you guys knew few days ago as Obi. You see, I never hid my true identity to make her feel bad, nor hurt anyone. Everything I did was for good. It was born out of the quest from an unusual young man who has experienced only but one side of life all his life. The brighter side of life